Is a DUI a felony or a misdemeanor in Nevada? And the answer is, it depends. If someone gets hurt or killed, that's a felony DUI. It's about as serious as it gets. And in my time as a prosecutor, I was the lead prosecutor for Clark County's Vehicular Crimes Unit. It's all I dealt in were these death and injury cases. And it's mandatory prison. And the prison term is going to be from 2 to 20 years. So that's a very serious case. If it's your first time offense and nobody gets hurt, it's going to be a misdemeanor case. It carries a maximum penalty of 6 months in jail, but the likelihood of you doing jail is pretty low. I'm going to be honest with you. The judges aren't in the habit of throwing first-time offenders and non-injury cases in jail. Matter of fact, I rarely saw it. In the thousands of cases that I prosecuted, I rarely saw it. If you get a second offense, it's going to be a misdemeanor, but the more you get, they start turning into felonies. So if you have a third offense within 7 years, it's going to be a felony. It's mandatory prison, 1 to 6 years. But in practice, you're allowed to avoid prison and enter a serious felony DUI court treatment program, because now you are deemed under the law that you have a substance abuse problem. And this program is going to last from 3 to 5 years. It's going to cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. And if you end up failing out of that program, and it's rigorous, it's tough, I've seen a lot of people fail out, you will end up doing your prison term. Once you've accumulated either a felony DUI where someone was killed or hurt, or you had a felony DUI third offense, from now on for the rest of your life, even if you just run a stop sign or your tint was a little bit too dark and the police pull you over, every DUI you get is going to be a felony DUI from that point on in Nevada, and it's mandatory prison 2 to 15 years. So first-time offender, nobody hurt, you're pretty much in good shape. I'm not saying you don't have anything to worry about, but if somebody gets hurt, then you're looking at mandatory prison.